Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did something today. I went and purchased the 18th month Happy Planner and the Farmhouse theme. It is gorgeous. Let me go ahead and tell you I'm in love with this planner. I wanted a planner for my social media and just so I keep track of YouTube videos, Instagram, Twitter, all of that good stuff. That way I can stay on top and make sure I am up on this game. I can be, sorry, I had to get the little glue thing off. But I just wanted to be really serious about this. I love filming for you guys, so I wanted to have something where I could write all my thoughts and have something to hold me accountable. And why not in this gorgeous planner? It says you are capable of amazing things in this pretty rose gold. And the discs are rose gold as well. But I picked up the rose gold metal disc. Right now, all of the planner stuff is 40% off with a coupon. And I also saw that at Michael's, they were accepting competitor coupons. And yeah, sorry for the jet noise. I can't help it. I guess, you know, the base doesn't want to work around my YouTube schedule. I'm only kidding. But yeah, so I picked up this beautiful planner today and I wanted to start planning out my videos and my content tonight. So I thought I might as well video this for you guys and get it up there in case you want to see what the inside is. I haven't seen any of the planners with the metal disc. I know the memory keeping ones come with the metal disc, but they are, I believe, $50, and this is $29.99, I believe, and you can use the coupon, and these were $15.99. So let's flip through, and then I'm going to go in and change the disc. So the first thing in here is just a little note from Stephanie. It says, welcome to your new Happy Planner. It says, starting a new planner is the perfect time to set goals and intentions that will help you plan a happy life and have fun while you're doing it. If you're new to the Happy Planner, just looking for some inspiration, we got you covered. We're an active social media network filled with creative ideas to help you get started and stay motivated. You can find all the account information on the back of this card, Happy Planner, and then it just shows you all of her media. So let's go ahead and cut this. And I also am ordering a new filming setup, so it will no longer be like a diagonal. I know sometimes it doesn't look good like the flat lay, so I am going to order something that hopefully will fix the bird eye view. So let's go ahead and do that. So it says, hello, this Happy Planner belongs to, and I've actually never put my name right here, but I'm going to this time. Ooh, this is pretty. I love the mint green and the little farmhouse background. Very, very farmhouse for sure. And so it has the 2018-2019 calendar. And then this just shows you July birthdays important currently, don't forget. And then it just shows you a few months. And I love the color for the divider for July. This is actually the cover for the Big Happy Planner, which they did have, but I like the classic size. Ooh, I love the stripes, and I love how black and white it is. So the weeks, so some weeks have little quotes. This one says, today is a good day for a good day. And the letters are almost look like a stamp. I really like how simple it is and how basically black and white it is. I'm not a big fan of color. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I'm very much a black and white marble kind of girl. And so this layout was perfect for me. So this is the current week, and this one says have courage and be kind. And I like how it has a little dot grid, so you can really do whatever you want with this sidebar. So there is that. Here is the cover for August. It has a little Ray Dunn mug that says begin. Very fall, and if y'all know me, I love the fall time, so I love that. Ooh, I love this divider. It says there's always something to be thankful for. That is so true. Y'all, this is my favorite. It says, I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. And yes, I'm 100% agreeing with that. I'm telling y'all, fall time is my absolute favorite season. If we could have fall all year round, I would. But then it wouldn't be as special. So I really like that. November says thankful, grateful, blessed. And the fonts in here remind me of the Ray Dunn mugs. Ooh, I love December's. It has this silver pretty foil and it says merry and bright. And all of the months look the same, so I'm not going to flip through that. I'm just going to flip through the dividers. January is just a plain. February says love, how fitting. March, and suddenly you know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. And March is my birthday month, so I like to look at my birthday, just reflect at the past year and just see what I can do better. March is it's a time for me to just refocus on my goals. Here is April. I love the flowers. Is that hydrangeas? I'm not sure what kind of flower that is. If you know what kind of flower that is, let me know in the comments below. But it just says live more and worry less. May is there's something beautiful and there is beauty in simplicity. I can't talk today. And I love the pink. Oh, I didn't notice that the colors change on this. Have they all done that? No. They've just kind of gone just in different colors, but I like that. June says do things with kindness, and I love the wood. I'm loving this foil, guys. It is so pretty. July says in a field of roses she is a wildflower. August, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just the first step. And I love the rustic wood. My friend Kelsey has a fireplace that looks like this, and it's so pretty in her house. I'm very jealous of it. Here's September. This one is, I like the other October one. It's a lot, to me it's more pretty. Let's see. Yeah, I like this one better. But this one is pretty as well. Ooh, I like this one. Look at that rose gold. So pretty. And then all is merry and bright. And there we go. And then the last page just says jot it down. And then this is what the back cover looks like. Let's do that. I hate these little sticky things that are on the covers. Sometimes they leave bad remarks, they leave bad little marks on my planner. So I'm going to go ahead and change out the disc real fast so I can start using this. So I'm about to speed this up, and yeah. Woo. So I'm going to change them out real quick, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Look how pretty it is with the metal disc. I love it. I love how the rose gold matches the rings. So I did have 2 left over because I think they put enough in here to fit the big happy planner. And this is just what the difference is. I think these were more of a gold and these are more of a rose gold. Or one's just shiny, but I love it. I am going to order some dividers, not dividers, like page markers from Ashley Designs. She does have some in her shop for the happy planner, so I just want some farmhouse looking ones for the planner. So yes, that is my happy planner that I bought today. I am going to be filming more planner videos, so stay tuned for that. And if y'all want to see like a decorate with me with the happy planner, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will definitely film that for you guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.